Many people turn to vitamin supplements and popular diets in the hope of improving their health, boosting immunity, or even reducing cancer risk. But a growing body of evidence suggests that excessive or misguided use of these strategies may, in fact, do more harm than good, potentially increasing cancer risk or negatively affecting treatment outcomes. A recent scientific review raises concern over the widespread and often unregulated consumption of high-dose vitamin supplements. While certain nutrients are essential for cellular health and DNA repair, the notion that more is better can backfire. High levels of antioxidants such as beta-carotene, vitamin E, and even vitamin C, taken in supplement form, have been linked in several studies to an elevated risk of certain cancers. For example, smokers taking beta-carotene supplements were found to have a higher incidence of lung cancer, counter to the popular belief that antioxidants universally protect against malignancies. Similarly, excessive vitamin E intake has been associated with increased prostate cancer risk. Fad diets pose a different but equally concerning risk. From ketogenic and carnivore regimens to prolonged juice cleanses or intermittent fasting taken to extremes, many of these diets dramatically alter metabolic and hormonal balances. Such disruptions may have unintended consequences for long-term health, especially in individuals already vulnerable to cancer or undergoing treatment. Diets that are too restrictive may deprive the body of critical nutrients needed for immune surveillance, tissue repair, and detoxification. In cancer patients, weight loss and muscle wasting, often exacerbated by low-carb or low-protein diets, can worsen treatment outcomes and increase mortality risk. What's especially troubling is that these behaviors are often adopted in the absence of medical guidance. Many individuals rely on internet trends, influencers, or anecdotal evidence, bypassing nutrition professionals who could help tailor recommendations to individual risk factors. The illusion of safety surrounding over-the-counter supplements and natural diets may lull people into ignoring red flags, such as unintended weight loss, gastrointestinal distress, or prolonged fatigue, which may signal deeper metabolic dysfunction. The review also points out that many supposed anti-cancer diets lack long-term evidence. While preliminary animal or cell studies may show promising effects, human physiology is far more complex. What appears beneficial in a short-term trial or in mice may not translate into real-world benefits, or worse, may introduce new risks when taken to extremes. Supplements, in particular, are not subject to the same rigorous testing as pharmaceuticals, and contamination, mislabeling, or megadosing are genuine concerns. The authors of the review advocate for evidence-based eating patterns that support metabolic and immune health without extreme restriction or supplementation. The Mediterranean diet is highlighted as a safe and well-researched example, emphasizing whole foods, plant-based fats, moderate protein intake, and low consumption of processed foods. Unlike fad diets or supplement megadosing, this approach is associated with reduced inflammation, better metabolic regulation, and lower cancer incidence in large population studies. Still, even beneficial diets require personalization. Genetic predisposition, pre-existing conditions, and ongoing treatments can all influence how the body processes certain foods or nutrients. What is tolerable or even helpful for one person may be harmful for another. And that variability, coupled with the seductive marketing of quick fixes, creates a dangerous landscape for those trying to take control of their health without proper guidance. Ultimately, the belief that we can hack our way to better health through supplements or rigid dietary rules oversimplifies the complex interplay of nutrition, genetics, and disease. While the idea of preventing or fighting cancer through diet is appealing, it can also lead people to make decisions that increase their risk. Without rigorous evidence and professional oversight, well-intended choices can become counterproductive or even dangerous.